Cause what I've gotta say is so real, it's so vivid. My heart's in it and I'm spitting out my guts with it. Look in my eyes to my soul and you might see it. God's perspective, I feel what he feels every time I hear the devil got another one killed. And he's not just taking sons from a mother, but there's mothers laying slain by the hand of another. And I get annoyed when a heart gets destroyed by infidelity, another common enemy. It's all deception, you know how it flows. We go in like a saint till we take off our robes. Yo, it's untold, this road that we're traveling. I left the house straight, then I came back staggering. It's all happening, the rough with the smooth. I gotta choose, well, or it's my soul that I lose. I'll let that sing out. I lift you up higher above all the things that I face, every sin, every case, listen higher. Yo, it's hard and I weep, you stay true, you don't sleep, yo. I sit and think of my family, everything I put them through, they couldn't handle me, nah. But I guess you gotta play what you dealt. When you walked in the room, it was your silent tears that I felt. But you didn't say a word, yo. Since I'm sorry for the years of abuse that occurred. And when I pray for you, the burden's so heavy, Lord. I know she don't believe, but can you please save Debbie? I say a prayer for my mum. She told me all about my dad and how we left them both undone. But now it's gone, this is our story, this is our song. They've been depressed for so long, we done them wrong. Hearts are so hard, my family's so scarred. Communication's all the devil wants us apart. We don't know how to love one another. No hugs for each other, Lord, heal and deliver, please. So this is me just lifting on higher above all of my problems. Because I know when I do that, I get peace. Even though there's dramas going on and whatever else, when I lift him up, it brings me to a more peaceful place. It's so true, you don't sleep, and it feels like every time I rhyme, I'm pouring from my pain. I'm crying late at night, cause I feel your pain, and I see your eyes, and the way you look down on every precious life. I'm surprised when you touch me, I feel you deep inside. More than just emotion, I've gotta get it right on this road to freedom. No more booty calls, I don't need them. Sick of crying over my regrets of unmarried sex, yeah. But I still wear the scar, don't call and say you changed. You already took it too far. Gotta forgive, I put myself in a position. See, God speaks, but every time I don't listen. Out of prison, free from the battle in my mind. Or sometimes I slip into the sin I left behind. Yo, he said pray, but I spent the night drinking. My flesh got a taste for it. What was I thinking? That's kind of the end of fire. That song always gets me emotional, you know.